are the products that I absolutely love, but I hate the packaging. First, we have the Real Actives Barrier Butter Moisturizer. My issue with this product is it takes forever for it to get going, but the actual product itself is literally amazing. It makes your skin look so glowy, hydrated, and it works really well underneath makeup. I just wish it didn't take so long to dispense the product. This is legitimately my favorite complexion product at the moment. I just really wish that the applicator was different. This is the Refy Skin Tint. You can see you have to like press this up. I just think it's super messy and inconvenient, like to wipe your hand. It also gets underneath my nails. How I will apply it now is I'll put it on my hand, pick it up with my brush, and then apply. But yeah, it's just a very interesting applicator. The Natasha Denona Liquid Bronzer, also another amazing product, but this is also a pump. I actually find myself not really reaching for this anymore, just because now it's a little bit of a process to wear it. I really just wish it had like an applicator, like a dofa or something on it. The product itself is actually so stunning. These are the Valentino 2-in-1 Liquid Blush and Lips. Insanely beautiful product as well. I just don't like this applicator at all. It just makes it really hard to get the product out. Like, do you see that? The actual formula is really pretty, but it's just too small to actually get enough product onto the skin. It takes a lot just to even get the right amount of pigment in the cheek. Play to Poe Concealer. I love this stuff and it is expensive. This retails for $77. I just don't really like that it's like a stick, because if I want to go directly under the eye, see that? This place is weird, so I feel like I'm always needing to use a brush instead, and sometimes I just don't want to use a brush. When it actually blends out, it looks so good. New Natasha Denona powder is legitimately my favorite powder right now, but I hate this packaging. I had to rip off the top thingy in order to actually get to the powder. It also just takes so long because you have to like put it on exactly right or else it won't close. So it takes me forever to close it. See, I can't even do it right now. I'm gonna do it later. It's so crazy because this powder, not kidding you guys, it's insane. Like, it is so good. It's so thin. It makes your under eyes look so airbrush. Hey guys, here is the final look. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with these? What are the products that you love that you hate the packaging?